Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add textures to images in Canva. Textures are a simple yet powerful way to add depth, character, and mood to your designs. Whether you're looking to add a subtle paper grain for a vintage feel, a gritty overlay for an edgier look, or something more artistic and creative, textures can really transform an image. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and by the end, you'll be able to apply textures with confidence to enhance your visual content. Start by opening the project you want to work on. This can be a brand new design or something you've already started working on. Make sure your canvas is visible and the image you plan to enhance is on the page, ready to go. Having your project open ensures the texture features will apply directly to your design and that you're not missing any essential steps. Plus, it allows you to see how the texture interacts with your entire composition in real time. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is the section in Canva where you can find extra tools and integrations that expand what you can do with your designs. It's your gateway to specialized features, including the ones that handle textures. Inside the Apps area, use the search bar and type the word texture. You'll see results related to textures appear. These might include both free and premium options. Click on the option that matches textures so you can access a variety of overlays and styles, ranging from subtle fabric effects to bold artistic patterns. This will bring up choices you can browse, preview, and apply to your image. Before applying any texture, make sure to click the picture in your design that you want to add a texture to. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or handles around it. This step is essential because it tells Canva exactly which image should receive the texture effect. If you're working with multiple images or layers, be sure you're selecting the right one. This ensures that your texture applies to the correct element in your design. Now, select a texture you'd like to add. As you click through different textures, you'll see your image change right away in a live preview. This instant feedback makes it easy to compare options and pick the one that fits your creative direction. Try exploring a few variations to see how they interact with the colors, lighting, and mood of your photo. You might prefer a soft, subtle finish to give your design a professional, clean look. Or you could go for a bold, more eye-catching pattern to grab attention. Remember, the texture you choose should align with the overall tone of your design. For example, if you're designing a Shopify product image or a promotional banner, consider choosing textures that complement your brand's style and message. Once you find a texture you love, simply keep it applied to your selected image, and you're done. That's all there is to it. It's a quick, easy process that can elevate the look of your design. If you change your mind or want to try something else, you can always pick a different texture or undo your last action. So feel free to experiment. Canva gives you the freedom to adjust until you're happy with the result. So trust your creative instincts and have fun with it. And that's it. You've successfully added a texture to an image in Canva. This quick method can elevate social posts, presentations, thumbnails, and more. For Shopify store owners, adding textures to product images, promotional banners, or even social media content can make your visuals stand out and catch the eye of potential customers. Save your project when you're happy with the result and enjoy the polished, textured look you've created. With just a few clicks, you've turned an ordinary image into something special.